How to fix Among Us problem, the error called PC Steamwork Network Authorization failed. So how can you solve this error just in your PC? I'll let you know all about the process. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will just solve this issue one by one. I'll guide you that how can you solve this error and use your game right away. So for this, we will just check that this is our Steam website here. If you have Steam on your mobile, you can do it there also. After doing this, you can see there is a lot of things here, a lot of games, a lot of reviews, a lot of problems also. What you have to do simply is to go and refresh this website, because sometimes due to lagging of website or any type of error or network error cause these type of error happening in your game. How can you solve it? Simply refresh your screen and reload the page. Reload your Steam application or website you are using. Just refresh that and check your network connection more better. As you can see, I will simply search for Among Us game here. I'll show you that it is available here. You can see this game is right available here. What I have to do is I will delete the game from my mobile or PC, and I will just simply uninstall and install this game again in my PC. Also, we will check that there is a lot of update here. If you have not updated your PC's software right now, you just have to update it right away and check if you have updated the game's version also, because these problem happens only due to the non-updation of your application or software you're using. So kindly update all of your software and game or website also before using any type of game in your PC. As you can see, I have already refreshed my PC, my website and my laptop, and now I will run this game. I won't face any type of error like this. If you also want to know that how can we solve any type of happening error in this game or video, you can simply question out your comments in our comment section. After doing all this setting, the final step is to log in into your Steam account, install the game again and run it again on your PC. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this helpful, please subscribe the channel.